This just started, guys. Just started. All day, rest of the night and all day tomorrow. It's 5 o'clock. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Coming down. Whoa! Oh, Jesus! That was close. Wow. Coming down, man. It's coming down. But it's lighting up a little bit. The angels are bowling. That's what my mother used to say. The angels are bowling. Ah! Jesus. Wow. We've had some really huge rainstorms this year, huh? Wow. Jesus. I wonder how the birds are. Yep. See the hole there? Mrs. Mack got a picture of a couple of the babies. A couple of the babies were stuck on the screen here yesterday. The business was going nuts, but it seems like they're kicking them out, so they must be getting ready. It's been what, about 6 weeks so far, huh, with the eggs? Less than that? 5? That's only been a couple weeks since the eggs hatched? Really? Yeah, it should be like that with the teenagers. Kick them out of the house, that's it, you're out of here. You're out of here. Coming down for sure, man. River's filling right up. There's some boomers for you. There's some boomers for you. Alright guys, looks like it's lightening it up a little bit. But yeah, another rainy day in the Northeast. It's supposed to be like this all day tomorrow. Supposed to be like this all day tomorrow. We get another bigger rainstorm, we'll do a video. I will probably be doing a final video on the 34 Ford Roadster anyway, so. Alright guys, have a good one. It's going down. Oh, oh, there's a strike. There's a strike. Peace out.